Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the plural term, while the mitochondrion is the singular term. Okay. So these are the important cell organelles involved in the aerobic respiration. Mitochondria are absent in prokaryotic cell and red blood corpuscles, that is the RBCs. Their shape may be oval or spherical or spiral strip-like. Mitochondria is the double membrane bound organelle. See here, mitochondria is the, see how many layers are going to see, how many membranes are we are able to see. Mitochondria is the double membrane structure. Okay, outer membrane, this is the, see, it's about the outer membrane, which is permeable to the various metabolites due to the presence of a protein, that is the porine or the Parsons particle, while the inner membrane is selectively permeable to few substances only. Both membranes, that is the outer and the inner membranes, are separated by the space. We are able to see very clearly there is the space between the outer and inner membrane. Okay, and this space is, again, it contains the fluid. Okay, apart from that, whatever the inner membrane is there, that shows several finger-like foldings. See, finger-like foldings here we are able to see to the inner membrane. Okay, and these finger-like projections or the plate-like fold are called as the cristae. These are called as the cristae. Okay, see, name is given here, cristae. Inner membrane bear numerous particles. Okay, and these particles are the oxysome. Okay, it having the oxysome and the cytochrome. Okay, see, let's another, this is the diagram of the cristae. Okay, so inner membrane shows several finger-like or a plate-like folding, that is called as the cristae. Inner membrane bears the numerous particles that are the oxysome and the cytochrome or the electron carrier. Okay, which plays important role in ETS. Okay, inner membrane encloses a cavity. Here it's a cavity, and that is the inner chamber. What is called this to the cavity enclosed by the inner membrane? It is the inner chamber that contain a fluid matrix. It having the matrix or the fluid matrix. Matrix contain few coils of this circular DNA, RNA, okay, and 70s ribosomes are again seen there. Okay, again it having the lipids and the another various enzymes for the Krebs cycle and the outer pathways. Let's see about the oxysome. So oxysome, here inner membrane of the mitochondria bears the membranous particles, that is the oxysomes. Okay, they named what, F1 to F0. Okay, Ferdinand's boron or the elementary particles, they are again called as the mitochondrial particles. Each particle contain head and the stalk. Okay, each particle contain this head, base, and this is the stalk. Okay, head, that is the F1, lollipop like head which faces towards the matrix, and the foot or the base, see here stalk, we can say the pedicel is the F0, is embedded in the inner membrane. Head acts as the enzyme ATP synthase and foot as the proton channel. Oxysomes are involved in proton pumping and ATP synthesis there. Okay, so mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell, because whatever the generation of energy is there, which is actually takes place in the what, in this mitochondria. Okay, so what are the cellular respiration is there, that is takes place here in the mitochondria. So mitochondria is having the very specific unique role and the function in the cell.